Hello, we're showing you this video right now because we know you want to change careers and make more money. What if I could teach you a talent that will enable you to earn $80,000 each year? That's correct. $80,000 every year, I said. And then you have to go back to college for 4 years to finish it? No. We'll finish it in 4 weeks. That is the frightening requirement to earn $80,000 per year. That's correct. Truck drivers make a lot of money. Consider this. Truck drivers are our country's backbone. All of our stores would be vacant without them. Let me reveal a little secret to you. Did you know that there is a driver shortage in this country right now that numbers in the hundreds of thousands? That's correct. Companies are becoming desperate for drivers as a result of this, forcing them to expand compensation and benefit packages. That's correct. You heard me right. Truck drivers enjoy 401ks, medical, dental, and vacation compensation, among other benefits. As a result, truck driving is the most secure employment in America. Imagine never being out of work again and having companies vying for your services. So you may strive towards that. You might be thinking right now, I'll never be able to drive these large vehicles well. Advanced Career Institute comes into play here. Regardless of experience level, Advanced Career Institute provides a fun and effective method for teaching all of our students how to drive. What's your excuse if we could train your 6-year-old child how to drive? Right? Do you believe you need to spend $150,000 on a college education? The majority of the money is spent on teaching you useless nonsense. Advanced Career Institute is here to ensure that you receive the real skills you need to succeed, and are incredibly adaptable, inexpensive, and, most importantly, enjoyable. Let me show you how I've ever visited a school. This is the Advanced Career Institute. We get quite close since this is a driving simulator where our students practice driving the truck before we send them out on the real truck on the real road. We at the Advanced Career Institute enjoy making a difference in people's lives. We have an exceptionally flexible training schedule available 7 days a week at Advanced Career Institute. This means we can work around your hectic schedule. And you receive all of this for a lot less than you would pay in college. We have courses ranging from $1,000 to $4,000, and all you need to get started is $500. That's correct. We are quite inexpensive. So stop putting it off and start transforming your life today. Advanced Career Institute is here to provide you with the necessary skills. Like and subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell, and we'll talk again soon.